I won't have to edit a freaking metric ton of footage out, but I'm putting in a new capacitor for the Goodman blower capacitor. So here's what I'm putting in it. 15 microfarad, just what it called for. It's a 370, it's an OEM replacement. But let's get this panel off. Screws, I might just replace them. Alright, before we dig any further into this, there's our electrical panel. What we want to do is put our meter here on volts alternating, untangle my test lead, and I want to make absolutely sure that there's no power going to the unit before I go sticking my hands in here. Right, there is nothing there, nothing there. We're good and golden. So we're gonna cut our meter off, and we are safe to proceed with taking the blower door off. There's one screw. I'm gonna replace the screws because they look worn out. I also want to check the coil. Our contact, oh, that doesn't look good. A little pitted and burned. This has, what microfarad is that? 60/5, that's a 440, that's a run capacitor. There's our transformer, blower control board, and our defrost board, which is set to 90 minutes. I gotta get this done before, I got like an hour's worth of daylight left. Alright, I'm going to set the camera up and take that blower door off. The blower door is a pain to get off. Alright, so I got all the panels off. There's our capacitor. My camera battery's about dead. That's not good. So what I want to do is, where's my phone? Is I'm going to take a picture of how the wires are. That coil does not look good. Look at the oil and everything. Oh well, I don't have a leak detector. So what I want to do is take a picture how those wires go. That is a 15 microfarad. That's what the motor calls for, so that's what I'm putting on it. It says a cap 15.0 UF 370 VAC. So that's what I'm putting on it. So we're going to get this disconnected. It's one off. 2 off, and 3 off. That looks like a 5/16, and it is. Just like that. This is the original capacitor. We will bend that back. There's our old one. This is a 15 plus or minus 5. Here's going to be our new one. And what I'm going to do is write the date on there, so I will get back after I do that. Put the date on there, as you can see. It's not pretty, but it doesn't have to be necessarily pretty. We'll put this here. Alright, let me screw this down because it's going to take 2 hands apparently. Impact drivers are awesome. Alright, let's hook up these wires. .30, so that's perfect. Stick that back over there. Here's our heat strip compartment. Alright, let's get these wires on so I can turn it on. Alright, these two were together on one terminal. It's going to be a little tricky doing this one-handed. Alright. It's on there good. Next I'll get this one on there. Make sure it's on there. And next we'll get this one on here, if I can. It's kind of tricky. sure they're on there. Put this little moldy looking boot up. Oh, it ain't gonna move. Alright, I'm gonna get this buttoned up. Here's one last look at our heat pump controls. I got defrost board, which just is interval. It's set to 90-minute defrost. There's our fan relay. And our blower here, it is on a high speed. Yep, black is high, blue is medium, red is low. This is our speed wire right here. And there's our 2 other speeds. So this is a 3-speed PSC blower motor. 60 hertz, 208, 230, 2.8 amps RPM. It is a 1005 RPM 3-speed. Alright, anyways, I'm going to get this buttoned up. This blower door is fun to put in. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I will see you then. And we are done. I went ahead and replaced the original Goodman screws that no longer had any grab, and I put in just regular 5/16 sheet metal screws, and it's holding us on very, very tight. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to pack up my junk. As you can see, I got a nice assortment of tools. This little impact gun's amazing, by the way, if you couldn't tell. It's a fun little toy, I guess. But yeah, here's our old original cap, like I said. Some cheap Goodman cap. It's the original one, 2008. Anyways, this was reading, if you watched the previous video, it was reading like 12 microfarad, which is not too terrible, but I wanted to replace it before it actually got bad. So hopefully my blower now won't have any problems. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one. I know, I just put this in, just finished the video, and I went to turn the blower on and nothing happened. So, I came out here and I had these wires hooked up backwards. Apparently, on this unit, it does matter what way the capacitor wires go. So that's just a tip. I was in a hurry, I know. But here's the tip. Put the wires on the way they come off.